We did a video that I demonstrated how to invest in the offshore market, and we invested in Nvidia. Now it has been a month since then, and I want us to see how it has done so far. I want us to calculate the percentage growth and maybe do a simulation of if you invested a large amount, let's say 10,000 Kenyan shillings, 50,000 Kenyan shillings, or even 100,000 Kenyan shillings. We want to see what you would be looking at right now in your account. I think so far I like the offshore markets. I'm a risk taker and I like volatile markets. So compared to the NSE, global markets are a bit volatile. So for those who are interested in the offshore market, you can use Scope Market. That's what I'm using to invest in the offshore market, and so far I love it. I tried HISA. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me. Have been trying to buy there, but haven't been able to, despite the fact that I deposited the money and I can't withdraw the money. But I'm speaking to the team so that we navigate, but I feel that they still have a long way, or they need to do some more work on the application. I have not tried Ndovu yet, so if you have experience with HISA and Ndovu, please let us know in the comment section, because we would like to know which application is the best for this. For me, I have decided to stick with Scope Market because it's already working for me. Someone suggested I do a video to fully analyze Scope Market, including the fees, and I'll do so in a later video. For the meantime, if you're interested, you can use the link in the pinned comment or in the description box to create an account. When you do, the team at Scope Market will call you to guide you on how to go about this whole process. They have excellent customer service and I love it. So I have invested in other stocks as well. You can see we have 3 other stocks and 1 ETF, and I think I'll first build onto this. I like buying at different intervals, so I buy small amounts at different times, and we keep adding onto these during the pullbacks. Okay, so for Nvidia, we bought on 8th of September 2025, and we bought at $168.26. That is per stock. So for our $32, we got ourselves 0.19 of Nvidia. And since then, the price has gone up to $186.01. So our $32 has made us $3.37 in a month. So let's see the percentage gain. So we do the calculations, and that will give us 10.54% gain in 1 month, meaning if I invested, let's say, 10,000 Kenyan shillings, I would have made 1,000 Kenyan shillings in that 1 month. If I invested 50,000 Kenyan shillings, I would have made 5,000 in a month. If I invested 100,000 Kenyan shillings, I would have made 10,000 Kenyan shillings in that particular month. And this year, this is the power of investing in the stock markets. But I also want you to remember that these are unrealized gains, because you lock in the profits after selling the stock. So these gains can reduce or increase if I stay longer in this market. Now, for me, this is a long-term investment, and I will do another video to show you when the markets are going down, because we always have that. There are times that you'll see the markets are positive, other times you're going to see that the markets are in the negative. And I'll do another video to show exactly that, so that you can understand fully how this works. I will keep you updated on how this investment is performing over time, and I will be adding more into this so that we can grow our account over time as well. If you wish to join me, you can do so that we can walk with you this journey. And this is not financial advice, it's just me sharing what I'm doing in the markets and my journey in the stock market. Remember, stock markets are high risk, and you need to invest what you can afford to lose, and you need to invest for long term. If you're interested, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.